Just needed a couple of feet, Phil, and he's through on the inside.
Yeah. How about this time from the 24 of Scott Lagasse Jr.? Watch it.
Inside only. Get on their door inside. Inside only. You have more help coming here. Go on. Check up. Stay at the top. Hurry up. Watch the silver ground. Get on the brake. Get on the brake. Clear down.
He could have escaped without any damage, Phil.
Yeah,
just
sort
sort
of
of
minor contact there, it looked like.
Slid through.
Gonna go racing when we come back at Daytona. Right along with Christopher Bell. Second time he's had an issue in that spot tonight. For Christopher Bell, that's Nemechek just ahead of that black and yellow number 8.
That's what you call loose off. You call your crew chief and say, I think I'm a little loose off.
Been stacking. Keep rolling outside. Bottom three. Close the door on the bottom. Get down. H-Truck, watch it spin. Keep rolling. Watch it spin. Get through it.
How crazy was that view of Crafton over there? We're going to see that again. Now look, he comes out.
Back all the way back. Still 3 with help. Reckon. Hang on to
Timothy
it there.
never even had time to back off, guys.
Now from Christopher Bell.
3 mid. Easy, come middle. Keep coming middle.
That looks straight out of the movies.
Yeah,
I mean, you couldn't believe that truck could fly over like that.
It's just amazing.
You're going to have to use more fuel to finish. Yeah.
Take a look at it from Cody Coughlin's perspective.
Still there. Bottom of 3. Bottom of 2. Just the 80. Stay low. Hold the brake.
Oops. Stop. Coming up.
Fortunate timing. You can see the 18 slides up the track, gives 29 plenty of room, just a little bit loose.
Come on. Clear. All clear.
That tire didn't pop. That was just way loose. You think it maybe a little wheel hopping?
Yeah, I think if he wasn't wheel hopping, he was sliding with the back of the truck.
Come on, clear. Perfect. Inside by himself, just 63. Inside, 2 inside, give him room, 2 inside, and keep coming high, keep coming, hold the brake. We will get to 33.
52 of
Get to 33, momentum. They're going to be bottom of 3, bottom of 3. Quarter bumper, he's loose. Outside, keep coming, spin in the bottom.
How about this view from the 29 of Chase Briscoe?
Keep coming there, everything's good. Keep rolling here. All right, in the middle, keep high, outside, come on low, clear.
hard. You can see he gets a bit loose.
Stay low, get low, dig, get low. Clear, you're good, dig. Come.
Down on the bottom. That doesn't make Coughlin feel any better, but I agree because that. Oh, this is going to be good.
Doing it. Go down there.
Watch that little bit of a walk. See him get loose.
Okay, just hang on here. Hang on. Back her down. Stay right there. There you go. Good job, bud. Did we get into the wall?
And how about Terry Cook? How calm he was.
Put off the concrete, making just his 5th career start here in the Truck Series. So you watch it from the onboard of Cody Coughlin.
Whoa! Wow, that was some questionable. Watch Chase Briscoe, that 29.
2 back, 1 lane up. Spin top.
Wow.
Green. Yellow is. Don't give that up. 1 back in line. Bottom in. Clear. Hold on to it here.
He had been battling with Ross Chastain.
Here he is battling for 10th.
Yeah, the 99 of Brandon Jones was on the inside. He got loose, took himself and right there.
See if we can look from Justin Haley. Watch. I just think so.
Come on. You're all clear. We're right behind you.
Right on board with Cindric
Right,
here.
go. Back down. Caution is out.
everything slides off the track.
Down, stay high, stay high, stay high. Watch where you're going, watch where you're going. Inside, 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 inside. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Clear right there, bud.
I got it.
See, Jordan Anderson was trying to give Ross Chastain.
The bottom of the track.
And then
bottom of the track coming back across. You see him.
If it wasn't enough that he was dealing with
View of Timothy Peters.
See, Austin's up there leading that pack, just gets a little bit loose.
Stay low, stay up high, stay up high. Coming to the wall here, stay low. Yellow's out, right in front of you. Keep coming, keep coming.
Better move to miss this. You see, they got seized up with Johnny Sauter there, and that just got, it looked like it got Ben Rhodes into Myatt Snider, and that turned Myatt sideways.
How about the view from Matt Crafton? And this is Timothy Peters. Watch this ride.
Of his truck.
There's Bell just to his left.
Oh, Bell just saw a gap there and shot it up the middle. The hole closed when they got to the turn.
Stand bottom, stand, turn up top, inside, inside, inside. Inside, we got one spin out.
Watch it from the 98 of Infinger. This was a battle right there about the 10th position.
Top of three, spin in front of you, back down, go low.
Wow, you could
Just had no time. You just had.
This vision of Kyle Busch.
Outside, Fleur, do what you want to do. You got to come up.
That was close.
Barely had time to crack the 02. That's when the 02 moved up and touched him. You heard.
Actually did some damage to the fence. Watch it on the onboard. This is one of the guys that would be considered a favorite.
No way to avoid a spinning truck because you just don't have any grip.
Yeah, and especially right now when it's wet like that. I mean, you see it, you know, the 36 getting to the back of the 63 there, but that all was caused from J.J. Yaley just getting loose. And it's hard.
See what Pierce sees in the 63 truck.
There's Benning coming in, about 8 of them in all total involved in that one. From the 19 of Austin Cindric.
Oh, nice job by Cindric to squeeze.
For Bell.
Lock it down.
Boy, Ty Dillon did a good job of avoiding contact with Bell. There's Ty Dillon up there in that 99. Barely missed clipping Bell.
It's not like an issue entering the corner, Phil. Yeah. We talked about the speed down into these corners. That had to get young Cindric's attention, just pushing his teammate along.
I think he would have been okay with the initial contact, but then when Haley hit him the second time, he hit him in that right rear corner and just turned him sideways.
He wound up right down on the side of Nemechek. Right there.
Keep coming there. He wrecked in your mirror there. Caution's out. Good.
Riding along with Cody Coughlin. This is going to be a jarring ride.
Yeah, just
outside.
trying to move around and take advantage the best he could of that restart. Had dropped off of the truck ahead of him a little bit. Oh, look what.
Hello, go middle. And one outside. Caution's out.
Yeah, the 24, you can see the 24, his left tires definitely got down underneath. We're here looking at the from the 29 of Chase Briscoe.
Whoa.
Wow.
So Briscoe, some significant contact.
You heard John Hunter Nemechek actually hit the rev limiter.
It's not like he missed a shift.
He may have missed a gear as well.
But that missing a shift is one.
He is right now in the 4th spot.
Bumping and grinding in front of Coughlin. So Coughlin, you saw him get off track there with the left side tires and eventually just brings it to a stop. Going into turn one.
Ooh, just got a little bit loose. So much damage to that truck, Phil, and then you see it's going to make a whole lot of difference.
It looks like that is where Gragson made contact with Sauter. We'll see if we can get a better view of it. Free of Grala, what happens?
Gaz has been trying to get around him. Gotten the throttle just a little bit quicker than Austin. Remember, Austin only had 2 tires cab.
The 13 of Cody Coughlin.
Oh, that's Haley.
Yeah, it looked like Haley got into the back of the 27 just a little bit.
I think that.
Watch Cindric on board here.
Watch him gain all of a sudden.
Still there inside.
Johnny might have missed a shift there, Phil.
Might have missed a gear. I don't think we can put that on Austin Cindric at all.
It's amazing if Sauter's going to escape this with no more damage than just some right side damage. I know it took it pretty heavy in the door, but it didn't look to be.
Clear behind him if you need it.
Well, more often than not, you go through that grass and you do some significant damage to your truck. Justin Wayne Self, and let's take a look at. He's that red truck just up ahead of you here.
He cut down the right front tire. You saw the sparks underneath that truck.
It's possible. Let's see what happens. Down. And we're wrecked.
Chain reaction.
Chain reaction, yeah. Once they check up right there, everybody's coming up off the corner all day and have everything go your way, and it just takes one mistake by somebody else, wrong spot, wrong time, and this happens.
Matt Crafton had a ringside seat for that tussle.
They're wrecking behind you.
Very fortunate for
Now on board with Myatt Snider.
he sees.
Working here. Outside.
Yeah, he was just in trouble.
Clear low,
when he started going up.
Over fell. He'd really run him down. Dives inside. And Christopher gave him room. I mean, Matt just overshot the corner a bit. Christopher Bell moved up. He knew at that point he clobbered him. But in Haley's defense, he was getting
87 of Ty Dillon.
he was
Off
getting
the wall and watch Johnny Sauter. Complete lack of vision here from the smoke off that 24.
That's what you call hoping he's not there when you get there, and Sauter did a nice job of it. As they come down into turn one, you can see he dives for the corner, and Phil, that tire just went.
Yeah, man, oh man, what about a 45-degree angle.
See what he saw.
Yeah, that was definitely a situation where Austin Cindric did not just go up there and move that 27 perspective. But these guys have to go somewhere. They have to get back on the racetrack.
Clear high, whatever you need here. You see what's going, stay low.
Stay low, that's great advice.
And clinch a spot in the Final Four next week at Homestead, and this is what Nemechek saw.
Back down the car. Stay up.